everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a midweek clean with me. I don't know about you, but when it gets like Wednesday, Thursday, I'm starting to feel a little bit unmotivated and my house starts to see it too. And guys, if you enjoy these kind of videos, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So as I said then, I'm filming this on a Wednesday. My little boy George, he actually goes to nursery Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So as you can probably see, the house is probably at its worst when it gets to Wednesday midweek, because George has been home and just wrecks the place whilst I'm at work. So I'm just going to start off by cleaning and putting away all of his toys and just giving the front room a bit of a freshen up. Once the toys are away, the front room isn't really that bad. I'm just going to remake the sofas and just give the TV a bit of a clean, because does anyone else's kids like to touch the TV screen with really greasy hands? So I'm just going to give that a bit of a clean over to get rid of any sticky fingerprints. So then, to give my house a bit of like a freshen up scent, I love to use the Febreze Unstoppables. This is the fabric spray, and I just spray this pretty much on everything in my house, any fabrics that you have. So I spray it on my sofa, cushions, blankets, and also my curtains, and it just really gives the whole house just a really nice feel of freshness and cleanness. I absolutely love it. So moving on to the kitchen, as you can see, the kitchen is looking a bit messy after like a full day of breakfast, lunch, dinner. Although I have to admit, we didn't actually cook and have dinner this evening. We did have fish and chips from the chip shop. We decided to walk around after work, and it was just a really nice stroll round to the chip shop, and then we came home and watched a film together as a family and ate our dinner. So it's quite an easy clean. However, we did make some yuzzos for lunch, so that's why there is flour all over the sides, and it was quite difficult to clean actually. So I used my trusty Flash bleach spray and it came right off. on to the bathroom then, it's not too bad today, but it's not great either. And this is obviously a day after having baths for George, potty training, brushing teeth, having showers in the morning, etc, etc. And me being at work all day and not being able to clean it throughout the day. So I'm just going to spend this evening just giving it a bit of a freshen up. I'm not going to go mad on cleaning and wiping everything. I'm just going to take the Astonish bathroom spray, and I'm just going to give the main areas that are looking awful just a bit of a spruce up and a bit of a clean, and just get it back to how I like it, which is nice and fresh and clean. I just wanted to mention the products I love to use for my toilet. So I love to use the Harpic bleach in the pine scent. I think it works really well on the toilet, but it also smells amazing as well. I then like to use the foam aroma, which is by Blue, and you just add a bit of powder into the toilet and it really fizzes up. And then I just like to add in a little bit of Fabulosa over the top of that as well, just to enhance that beautiful sort of fresh smell for the bathroom. So now I'm going to move on to cleaning the hallway. I just want to add, as I was filming this, George is fast asleep in his bedroom, so I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. And I decided that I'm not going to hoover upstairs this evening because I really don't want to risk waking George up. So I will do a hoover in the morning. But I've just basically picked up anything that George has thrown out of his room over the stairgate into the hallway and just quietly popped that back in his bedroom. So moving on to our bedroom then, as you can see, it's just looking really unorganised. And I think one of the reasons I feel like it is unorganised is because I am also working from home at the moment, and my bedroom is also my office, which I'm currently not enjoying. I just feel like I can never escape from work or separate my bedroom from work. So yeah, it feels a bit cluttered and organised, but that's just how it has to be whilst COVID is going on. So I'm just going to freshen up the bed, even though we're going to be going to bed in a couple of hours. I like to just have a nice fresh bed to get into. I also just clean up our bedside cabinets and reorganise them, and then just clean up my workspace and just give that a bit of a dust as well, just to give it a freshen up ready for the next day for work, to give me as much work motivation as possible. So the last room then that I need to clean is probably the worst room in the house, and that is the dining room, and that is where George's toys are, or where he likes to play most of the time. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick up all of his toys, put everything back away where it needs to be. I'm also going to build his train table so it's ready for the morning. And then I will clean and organise that table and then give the room a nice hoover. Again, just the last thing to do, just to freshen up the front room.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline.
So guys, that is the end of today's video. My house is now nice and clean and organised, ready for the evening to have a little bit of a relax. And many of you will know that I just love to wake up in a clean home. It just makes my day start in the right way, makes me feel motivated to have a good day. So I'm really happy I've got it how I want it this evening, ready for tomorrow. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then like I said at the beginning, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer, and thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, thanks, bye bye.